Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub, the place where performance meets perfection, and innovation meets luxury. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Brabus Motor Home, a masterpiece that takes luxury travel to a whole new level. Brabus, known for tuning high-performance Mercedes-Benz vehicles, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and this time, they've created something that redefines what home on wheels really means. Imagine the power of a supercar, the comfort of a five-star hotel, and the freedom to explore the open road, all in one breathtaking machine. The 2026 Brabus Motor Home isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury lifestyle statement. From the outside, it immediately commands attention. The exterior design carries the signature Brabus touch, aggressive yet elegant, sleek yet muscular. It's based on a heavy-duty Mercedes chassis, but completely redesigned with custom carbon fiber elements, aerodynamic contours, and an unmistakable Brabus body kit. The front fascia features a massive blacked-out grille with the glowing Brabus B emblem, LED matrix headlights that cut through the night like precision lasers, and sculpted air intakes that give it a bold, commanding presence. Every line and curve has been crafted to not only look beautiful but also serve a purpose. The side panels are fitted with integrated LED lighting, while the massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels give it a road-dominating stance. Brabus even added a retractable awning system with built-in ambient lighting, perfect for relaxing outdoors at sunset. The rear design follows the same philosophy, elegance meets strength. You'll find a sleek aerodynamic roofline, chrome exhaust outlets, and a smart tailgate system that opens to reveal a storage compartment for electric bikes or small recreational gear. Step inside, and you instantly realize that this is not your average motorhome. The interior of the 2026 Brabus Motor Home is a symphony of luxury, technology, and craftsmanship. Every inch of the cabin exudes opulence, from the fine Nappa leather seats to the carbon fiber trim and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The front cabin features fully electric captain chairs that swivel 180 degrees, creating a lounge-like feel when parked. A massive curved OLED display dominates the dashboard, offering access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle diagnostics, and even smart home integration. You can control everything from lighting and temperature to the blinds and security systems with voice commands or a tablet. Moving further inside, the living area is a true highlight. It feels more like a private jet than a camper. There's a plush L-shaped sofa upholstered in premium leather, a retractable 65-inch 8K TV that rises from the console, and a built-in surround sound system by Burmester that fills the space with studio-quality audio. The lighting is fully customizable, with RGB ambient strips running along the ceiling edges, creating the perfect atmosphere whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. Now let's talk about the luxury bedroom, the heart of comfort in this mobile palace. The bedroom features a full-size king bed with memory foam and massage functions, surrounded by rich suede panels and brushed aluminum details. There's a panoramic skylight above the bed, so you can fall asleep under the stars wherever you are. Beside the bed, you'll find hidden storage compartments, soft-touch reading lamps, and even a built-in wireless charging dock. The rear wall features another smart TV and a sleek vanity unit, blending elegance with practicality. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Connected to the bedroom is a luxury bathroom that rivals those in high-end hotels. The shower area is lined with tempered glass, featuring rainfall and mist modes, while the vanity unit is crafted from real marble with backlit mirrors. Brabus has even fitted it with an automatic scent diffuser and touchless fixtures. There's also a smart toilet with bidet functionality, adjustable seat temperature, and an integrated cleaning system. The entire space feels serene and modern, a perfect place to refresh after a long drive. One of the most surprising and innovative spaces is the luxury kitchen. Brabus didn't cut any corners here. The kitchen is fully equipped with a built-in induction stove, convection oven, compact dishwasher, and refrigerator, all wrapped in brushed steel and matte black finishes. A retractable dining table extends automatically when in use, and overhead cabinets provide abundant storage with soft close mechanisms. The lighting here is warm and inviting, giving it a true gourmet atmosphere. Whether you're cooking a simple breakfast or hosting a luxury dinner, this kitchen makes it effortless. Behind the kitchen is a TV and entertainment lounge area, designed for relaxation and social gatherings. It features reclining lounge chairs, a retractable bar with a mini wine fridge, and panoramic windows with electrochromic tint control. The TV area can be converted into a guest sleeping zone with a touch of a button, a perfect example of how versatile and intelligent this motorhome is. Under the hood, the performance side of the 2026 Brabus Motor Home is just as impressive as its luxury interior. It's powered by a Brabus tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing an astonishing 700 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque. This means despite its size, this motorhome can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 5 seconds, unheard of in this segment. The advanced 9-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, while Brabus all-wheel drive system provides superior traction on any terrain. The suspension is fully adaptive, adjusting automatically for comfort or sport mode, depending on your driving style. Even with its immense power, Brabus has engineered the vehicle for remarkable stability and ride comfort. Active air suspension minimizes body roll, while advanced sound insulation ensures the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds. The motorhome also includes regenerative braking, solar-assisted power generation, and a hybrid battery system to enhance fuel efficiency. In terms of technology, the 2026 Brabus Motor Home is a rolling command center. It features 360-degree cameras, autonomous parking assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and AI-based route optimization. It can even connect to your smart home, allowing you to control home devices remotely while you're on the move. Safety features include multiple radar sensors, emergency braking, and driver fatigue monitoring, ensuring every journey is smooth and secure. When it comes to price, exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Brabus Motor Home starts at around $1.8 million, depending on customization and configurations. But for those who can afford it, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, prestige, and personal freedom. In conclusion, the 2026 Brabus Motor Home is a breathtaking fusion of performance engineering, luxury craftsmanship, and intelligent design. It's the future of travel, where the road becomes your private suite, and every destination feels like home. Brabus didn't just build a motorhome, they built an experience that moves with you, in ultimate comfort and style. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive masterpieces, only here on Auto Gear Hub, where we bring the world's finest machines to your screen.